5 home remedies for loss of smell and taste. There are many reasons why a person wouldn't improve their sense of smell. One of the primary reasons is the fact that it is closely associated to your sense of taste. If you have any doubt about it, try to taste something while you pinch your nose. Most of all, having good sense of smell increases your enjoyment of life. Here are 10 ways that can improve your loss of sense of smell in a natural way. Number 1 is lemon. The citrus smell and flavor of the lemon juice can help to restore your smelling and tasting. And moreover, it is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that enhances the body's immunity to help to fight the diseases and infections. Squeeze the juice of the one lemon into a glass of warm water. Mix in 2 tablespoons of the raw honey. Drink the warm water twice daily. Eat a small piece of the fresh or pickled lemon between meals to stimulate the taste buds. Put a few drops of lemon essential oil on a handkerchief and sniff it in the morning. And put a few drops of the lemon essential oil evening for a few seconds at a time, and do this for several weeks. Also use lemon juice to enhance the flavor of your food. Number 2 is apple cider vinegar. Even though apple cider vinegar has a sour acidic taste, it works as stimulator for the taste buds. It helps to kill the bacteria in the mouth to help to restore your smell and taste senses. It also helps to treat a sinus infection. Add 1 tablespoon of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda to the half glass of water. Drink this solution 2 times a day. Alternatively, just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and a little raw honey to the glass of water and drink it before meals 2 to 3 times a day. Number 3 is oil pulling. Oil pulling and ensured uridic factors can help to restore your sense of smell. Oil pulling helps keep your taste buds moist, which is helpful in improving your sense of taste. Plus, it aids in the removal of toxins from your mouth as well as body. You can also oil pulling the coconut, sesame or any edible vegetable oil. And switch the oil throughoutly along the mouth of your 10 to 15 minutes. Spit out the oil and rinse your mouth with warm water. Finally, brush your teeth as well and follow this process daily in the morning before eating anything. Do not swallow the oil. Number 4 is cinnamon. Cinnamon, according to Uriah, cinnamon helps to treat the loss of smell and taste. Its strong flavor can stimulate the taste buds, while its sweet smell can enhance your smelling power. Thoroughly mix equal amount of the cinnamon powder and raw honey. Rub this mixture on your tongue and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse your mouth off with lukewarm water. Repeat twice daily for several days. Number 5 is eat zinc-rich food. Zinc deficiency is often associated with a loss of taste and smell. Eating more zinc food or taking zinc supplements may help to clear up your problem. Symptoms of the zinc deficiency include the white spots or daily horizontal ridges on your nail, hair loss, slow healing. If you see these signs, ask your doctor to test for the deficiency. Eat more zinc-rich food like oyster, beans, nuts, whole grains, fortified breakfast, cereals, and dairy products. You can also take a zinc supplement after consulting your doctor. Additional tips. Put a handful of crushed curry leaves in a glass of water. Let it sit for 13 minutes. Strain and drink the water twice daily. Add 1 tablespoon of the fresh mint leaves to the cup of water. Cover and steam for the 30 minutes, then strain it. And during this infusion twice daily. If blocked nasal passages due to the cold are causing loss of smell, adequate rest and sleep is remedy for this.